Why are Excel weekdays wrong for 1900? The last two are wrong. The 1st of January 1900 is actually a Monday. Various sources seem to confirm that. January 1900, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Year 1900 calendar, the Netherlands. Year 1900 calendar, United States. What am I missing? Why is Excel doing this wrong?
As described in Microsoft KB 214058. Days of the week before March 1st, 1900 are incorrect in Excel. More information. When the date system in Microsoft Excel was originally created, it was designed to be fully compatible with date systems used by other spreadsheet programs. However, in this date system, the year 1900 is incorrectly interpreted as a leap year. Because there is no February 29th, leap day, in the year 1900, the day of the week for any date before March 1st, 1900, the day after the leap day, is not computed correctly. The other spreadsheet programs refer to Lotus 123, which was quite popular back then, and incorrectly assumed that year 1900 was a leap year. This is explained in even more detail in KB 214326. Excel 2000 incorrectly assumes that the year 1900 is a leap year. More information. When Lotus 123 was first released, the program assumed that the year 1900 was a leap year, even though it actually was not a leap year. This made it easier for the program to handle leap years and caused no harm to almost all date calculations in Lotus 123. When Microsoft Multiplan and Microsoft Excel were released, they also assumed that 1900 was a leap year. This assumption allowed Microsoft Multiplan and Microsoft Excel to use the same serial date system used by Lotus 123 and provide greater compatibility with Lotus 123. Treating 1900 as a leap year also made it easier for users to move worksheets from one program to the other. Although it is technically possible to correct this behavior so that current versions of Microsoft Excel do not assume that 1900 is a leap year, the disadvantages of doing so outweigh the advantages. If this behavior were to be corrected, many problems would arise, including the following. Almost all dates in current Microsoft Excel worksheets and other documents would be decreased by 1 day. Correcting this shift would take considerable time and effort, especially in formulas that use dates. Some functions, such as the weekday function, would return different values. This might cause formulas in worksheets to work incorrectly. Correcting this behavior would break serial date compatibility between Microsoft Excel and other programs that use dates. If the behavior remains uncorrected, only one problem occurs. The weekday function returns incorrect values for dates before March 1st, 1900. Because most users do not use dates before March 1st, 1900, this problem is rare.
Here is the reason explained by Joel himself. My first build review. BASIC uses December 31st, 1899 as the epoch instead of January 1st, 1900. but for some reason, today's date was the same in Excel as it was in BASIC. I went to find an Excel developer who was old enough to remember why. Ed Fries seemed to know the answer. Oh, he told me. Check out February 28, 1900. It's 59, I said. Now try March 1st. It's 61. What happened to 60? Ed asked. February 29th. 1900 was a leap year. It's divisible by 4. Good guess, but no cigar, Ed said, and left me wondering for a while. Oops. I did some research. Years that are divisible by 100 are not leap years, unless they're also divisible by 400. 1900 wasn't a leap year. It's a bug in Excel, I exclaimed. Well, not really, said Ed. We had to do it that way because we need to be able to import Lotus 123 worksheets. So, it's a bug in Lotus 123? Yeah, but probably an intentional one. Lotus had to fit in 640K. That's not a lot of memory. If you ignore 1900, you can figure out if a given year is a leap year just by looking to see if the rightmost 2 bits are 0. That's really fast and easy. The Lotus guys probably figured it didn't matter to be wrong for those 2 months way in the past.
One solution to this is to add 400 years to the year, to work out the weekday as in the following formula. So the following variables would return 1, Sunday, which is the same as for December 14, 2234. This stops working for dates before 1753, the year after the change to the Gregorian calendar.